All right, so this is how I'm gonna spend my Memorial weekend. I don't know about you guys and gals, but yeah, over the winter we lost a whole bunch of trees. If you haven't seen the video from around Christmas time, that Colby and I literally cut hundreds of trees out of the trails with some friends of ours from our local snowmobile club. So anyway, this is kind of our paradise up here, but all of these trees, we stacked them up here a couple weeks ago. We're gonna do a little bit of cutting on them so we can process them to turn them. Some of them are gonna get turned into firewood. Some of them are big enough that we may send some to the sawmill, but we need to get all these limbs off and maybe we'll do a little bit of fire. So anyway, filming this with the phone because I don't have any of the other camera gear with me. So this will probably be fairly short. I don't know. We'll see what you think. But I wanted to, this is not a sponsor by the way, but bought me a new chainsaw. I've always had Echo chainsaws. I had an 18-inch for a lot of years, and then I bought a 24-inch many years ago, and it's been awesome. That's actually this saw that's in this orange box. So let's check it out. So yeah, this is my original 24-inch saw, and it's a Timberwolf CS590 that Echo makes. I've been a lot of you will be fans of Stihl chainsaws or Husqvarna. I'm not a professional at this, so the Echo has been phenomenal. And so there was a sale on Echoes, and it's another CS590, so the power head is the same. It just happened to come with a 20-inch bar instead of a 24. So now I got two power heads that are the same, and I would assume that my chains would interchange. Now, if I wanted to put my bigger bar on this one, but I don't need two 24s. The 20 is going to be great. And so yeah, I just unboxed it this morning, put it together, went together really nice. Let's fire this thing up and see how it does. All right, official first start of this thing. There's a compression release. Looking good. All right, so I had flooded it, pulling it as much times as I did with the choke out. With it this warm at this elevation, probably my fault, but I ended up pulling the spark plug, clearing the cylinder out of fuel, and then put it back together. She fired right up. She's a ripper. I like it. All right, so what we're doing is we're clearing a way for us to actually room so we can do a little fire right here and be away from the trees. We had snow up here less than a week ago and rained a little bit too, so fire danger is low enough that we feel comfortable. We're gonna keep the fire a little smaller than we normally would because we're cognizant we didn't have the snowpack and there's not as much moisture in all this that we normally would this time of year. But so far I'm impressed with this little Echo chainsaw. So as you can see, I need to adjust the chain because we've just done a few cuts here in this first little bit. But yeah, the old Echo CS590 Timberwolf with the 20-inch bar. Yeah, I'm happy with my purchase. Heck yeah, it cuts good. It rips, man. So anyway, I'm gonna keep working on this pile and off. So enjoy your Memorial weekend. Thanks for watching.